Hi there, welcome back to Tech Brain YouTube channel. Today we are diving into a topic that is essential for everyone involving in creating technical documentation, whether you're writing user manuals, product guides, or API docs. We are talking about the core principles that guide effective technical writing. First up, we have clarity. This is all about making sure your writing is easy to understand. Avoid using jargon or complex terms unless absolutely necessary. If you do have to use them, make sure to define them clearly. Remember, your goal is to communicate, not confuse. So, next is accuracy. This is non negotiable. Your audience depends on your documentation to work correctly with the product or technology. So always double check your facts, figures, and technical details before publishing. Conciseness is key in technical writing. You want to deliver the maximum amount of information in the fewest words possible. This makes your content more readable and helps your audience find what they need quickly. So, good structure is the backbone of effective technical writing. Use headings, subheadings, bullet points, and numbered lists to organize your content. This not only makes your document easier to navigate, but also helps your readers understand the information better. Understanding your audience is crucial. Tailor your content to their level of expertise, whether you're writing for developers or end users. Knowing who your audience is, it will guide your tone, level of detail, and even the types of examples you use. So, usability means creating documents that are easy to use. Think about how your audience will interact with your document. Is it easy to navigate? Does it provide the information they need efficiently? Design your content with these questions in mind. And also, consistency is all about maintaining uniform style throughout your document. This includes using the same terminology, style, and formatting. Consistency helps maintain a professional tone and makes your document easier to follow. Visuals and example can significantly enhance your technical writing. Diagrams, screenshots, and practical examples help clarify complex concepts and make your content more engaging. Just make sure your visuals are clear and relevant. So there you have it. The core principles that guide effective technical writing, whether you are a seasoned pro or just starting out. Keeping these principles in mind will help you create clear, accurate, and user friendly documentation. So, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on technical writing and other tech related topics. Thanks for watching.